Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1964.5 Mustang Convertible. Original 260 under the hood, 4-speed manual, sitting on the wires. This car is phenomenal. Power top, rally gauges added. Still see that clock ticking away there. Beautiful. Seatbelts all the way around. Gorgeous paint, chrome, stainless. Tires are like brand new. Just a pretty car. 64.5 is very rare. This is when they first came out. Later on, it became 289. But this is the one to have. Super straight body. I'm just gonna polish it real quick. There she is, original 260. Look at the vent on the inner fender. You never really see that. It's restored as original. We also have a Ford Motorcraft coil coming in. That red one's going to come off. It's on order. This car is stunning. Sills. There's chrome gleaming everywhere. There's felts in the windows too. Let's see the parade boot. It's got a rack on the back. Rally pack was added, obviously. It wasn't available in 64. Look at the clock ticking away on there. So cool. Beautiful dash. You can also notice tower clamps under here. Ford Motorcraft hoses. Beautiful car. Cold start. That's really nice. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and information on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.